Welcome to our channel. Now we learn today Maths 1B model paper for October 2021 only. Now here Maths 1B model paper. Now first section 1. Section 1. Now 10 questions is given there. Each question carry 2 marks. It is total 20 marks. Next section 2. Section 2. Now 10 questions is given. Now attempt any 5 questions. Now each question give 4 marks. Now that means 5 into 4, answer is 20. Now section 3, same as it is here also. 10 questions is given. Now attempt any 5 questions. Can here each question carry 7 marks. 5 into 7, 35. It is total 75. Now no choice in first section, 50% in choice second section, 50% choice in third section. Next, blueprint. Look here, Maths 1B blueprint for October 2021 only. Now first, coordinate geometry part, that means 2-dimensional geometry and 3-dimensional geometry part only, not calculus. Now first, locus. First chapter is the locus. 4 marks plus 4 marks. It is the meaning 2 questions in 4 marks. Total is the 8. In questions say 2 questions aste locus la. 4 plus 4, 8. Now next one is the transformation of axis. Here also same, 4 marks questions 2. Now total 8. Next one, it is the most important topic, straight lines. Straight lines lo 2 marks questions 2 plus 2, 4 mark question 1, 7 marks questions 2. Now total is the 22 marks. It is most important topic, straight lines. Now pair of straight lines, 7 plus 7 is equal to 14. It is also most important topic. Less models only here, only 4C exercise and theorems only. 4B exercise deleted. 4B exercise is deleted, only 4A and 4C. Now theorems and 4C chapter is important. Maybe 10 questions is there only totally. Most important questions we get 14 marks. Now next one, 3D coordinates. 3-dimensional geometry here, 3D coordinates. It is also less problems is there. Now 2 marks 1, 4 marks 1, total 6 marks. Next one, direction cosines and direction ratios, DCS and DRS. It is the 7 mark only. Here also 3 more problems important only here, models only. Now the plane, 2 marks question only. The plane 2 marks question only. Next, calculus part. Next here, calculus part. First is the limits. 2 marks questions 2 only. 4 marks question 1. Total 8 marks in limits. Next, differentiation. It is most important. It is the 2 marks 2 questions, 4 marks 1 question, 7 marks 2 questions. Total marks is 22 marks. Straight lines and differentiation is most important topics. More than 50% marks is there. Differentiation and straight lines only. Next one, it is the errors and approximations. It is 2 marks. 2 or more models is there only. Next one, tangent and normals, 4 marks question. And length of tangent normal, subtangent and subnormal. It is 4 plus 7. 4 marks question 1, 7 marks question 1. It is 11 marks. Total 11 marks. Length of tangent, normal, subtangent, subnormal. 11 marks. Here also less problems only. Now angle between of two curves. 2 or more problems impacted this topic. 2 plus 7 is equal to 9 marks. Next, maximum and minimum values. Maximum and minimum values 7 marks. Here more 4 problems is there only. 4 ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ చూసుకుంటే 7 మార్క్స్ వస్తాయి మనకి ఇక్కడ. ఇట్ ఈస్ టోటల్లీ బ్లూ ప్రింట్ ఆఫ్ మ్యాథ్స్ 1B. నౌ ఫస్ట్ బిట్ నో చాయిస్, సెకండ్ బిట్ ఈస్ ద 50% చాయిస్, థర్డ్ బిట్ ఈస్ ద 50% చాయిస్ ఓన్లీ.
డిస్క్రిప్షన్లో టెలిగ్రామ్ ఛానల్ లింక్ ఉంటుంది, ఆ ఛానల్లో జాయిన్ అవ్వండి. మీకు షార్ట్ కట్స్, మోడల్ పేపర్స్ అండ్ ఇంపార్టెంట్ క్వశ్చన్స్ పీడిఎఫ్ రూపంలో లభించును.